know that much detail on it at the moment, but it's potentially serious. We're hearing a major explosions occurred at the Flamanville nuclear power plant in northwest France. Apparently it happened in an engine room at 10 a.m. local time there. Reports say several people working there have been injured. We're going to keep monitoring the situation there. Yeah, there's some library shots we've got. This plant clearly visible. If you've ever been to the Channel Islands, you'll know that you can see it very clearly. It's just about 14 miles away. It's also used to reprocess nuclear fuel. I need to get a handle on whether they're all at the same site, but it's certainly one that's often been in the news, worries about maybe security there, etc. And certainly, as I say, if you are living in that area in France or you're living in the Channel Islands, you are very aware of it. Let's get some immediate reaction from our correspondent in France, Charlotte Dubensky. Charlotte, this headline literally only just come in. It seems this incident happened at 10 local time there, so a little while back, but we've only just got the handle on it now, and it's starting to be reported in an engine room. That's not to say, of course, that there's any danger of nuclear radiation there getting out, or any nuclear material getting out, or if there's any danger. Let's be very square at the moment. We've heard nothing that there's any danger to the surrounding area or public. Charlotte, what do we know? Let's rewind the clock back a bit here and tell our viewers what has come through at the moment, as far as you know it.
Well, as you mentioned, Kevin, this incident, we understand, took place at 10 a.m. local time here in France, and it took place at the Flamanville nuclear power plant. And as you said, that is just on the coast of France, near Le Havre port, and actually you can see the Channel Islands from the power plant, Jersey and Guernsey, in the English Channel. So it's something that many people in the area will be very familiar with. It's quite a large site. Now, the nuclear power plant was commissioned back in December 1985, so it's more than 30 years old. And what we understand is that at 10 a.m. local time this morning, there was a loud explosion, a large explosion heard, and a fire. Now, we understand that fire was reported in the engine room of the nuclear plant that is run by the energy giant EDF. Now, we understand that fire crews are at the scene, emergency crews, and we understand there are reports of some injuries at the scene, but we are waiting for the detail of that. But quite crucially, we're hearing reports from officials that there is no threat of a leak from this plant, and that is obviously crucial at the moment for fears and safety in the area. No reports that there will be any leaks as a result of this explosion of fire at the fire plant. There are now emergency crews there at the scene trying to deal with it, and we're waiting for more information about exactly what's happened and how many people and what sort of injuries and exactly what caused this and how contained it can be itself in hopefully the next few hours.